Raw was quite passive in the West until Modi regime gave it confidence to be proactive. It turns out Pakistan is the not only country being terrorized by the Indian spies, though the recent murder of the Sikh separatist leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada made headlines worldwide. Justin Trudeau accused the Indian government of being involved. Narendra Modi government has regularly framed false terrorism charges on its opponents, including farmers, students and activists who peacefully protested for their rights. It should also be noted that India's failure to secure the extradition of David Headley, who is now serving 35-year sentence in the US on charges that include involvement in the Mumbai attacks, was largely due to New Delhi's slipshod legal efforts. India went as far as claiming Headley was a US double agent, the same claim it regularly throws at Pakistan whenever asked for actual evidence rather than their feelings. Raw has a long association with targeted killings in the South Asia. This was done by taking advantage of the Raw's weak governing laws, which allows it to operate without legislative oversight, with almost entirely at the PM's behest. This should be the actual cause of concern. A man who allowed mobs to murder thousands of his own citizens for the political gains. In wake of threat to identity and integrity of the occupied Kashmir and its people, Hurriyat leaders have called for a united struggle to secure resolution of the Kashmir dispute as per the United Nations resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, the leaders urged the resolution of the Kashmir issue to end the Indian violence in the territory. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has reiterated his commitment to continue his struggle for the freedom of his oppressed Kashmiri people from India's illegal occupation. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabir Ahmad Shah, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said that India cannot break his will through putting him behind bars to fight for the Kashmir cause. While saying that the people of Palestine, like Sikhs, are facing existential threat, Sikh for Justice Chief Gurpant Singh Pannu announced that the Gurdwara Guru Nanak Commission in Surrey is going to donate $21,000 for the people of Palestine, especially in Gaza, who are facing the worst humanitarian crisis at present. According to Kashmir Media Service, Pannu said in a video message the money will be donated in memory of the Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar, who was assassinated by the Indian agents in Canada.